Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve diversity initiatives with Google, full guide step by step clearly. To improve diversity initiatives with Google, start by understanding the current landscape of your organization. Analyze existing diversity metrics to identify areas needing attention. Gather feedback from employees through anonymous surveys to ensure honest opinions. Conduct focus groups that include diverse voices to understand their experiences and needs. Research best practices from organizations recognized for their diversity initiatives. Leverage Google's tools like Google Analytics to track diversity trends within your workforce. Set clear, measurable goals for diversity, such as increasing representation in leadership roles. Communicate these goals to all employees to foster a culture of accountability. Utilize Google Meet for virtual workshops aimed at diversity training. Implement inclusive recruitment strategies by broadening outreach to underrepresented groups. Partner with diverse organizations and educational institutions to create internship programs. Encourage employee resource groups to help foster community and support among diverse employees. Offer mentorship programs that connect junior staff with experienced leaders. Evaluate the effectiveness of diversity training initiatives to ensure they are impactful. Adjust policies and practices based on employee feedback to create a more inclusive environment. Share your progress and outcomes regularly to maintain transparency and trust. Continuously review and refine your diversity strategies to adapt to changing needs and goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.